you have a fascination with the brain, you really get to see how we can modulate our behavior by altering parts of our brain. So the fact that we really get to answer some of our questions about how the brain is working is really interesting to me.
Our students will learn all about the central and peripheral nervous system. They will learn about the brain anatomy, brain physiology. And then, of course, they will learn everything about neuromodulation.
Neuromodulation is a rapidly growing area of science which studies the way how brain functions can be improved, can be changed.
So this program is really unique because two different faculties have come together to create this program. There are experts in non-invasive and invasive stimulation that allow us to cover the whole spectrum. We can also learn how techniques are developed in animals and then translated into the clinic, and everything in between. The curriculum is very balanced. You start with having lectures from experts in these fields to learn the fundamental and theoretical basis of the technique, and then you go to the lab and you can have hands-on training and experience the techniques for yourself. In Maastricht, that's really interesting because we're so close to the hospital, so we have access to patients where we can try neuromodulation in a clinical setting, as well as in our research lab.
We offer three kinds of internships. There are fundamental research internships where students can participate in our ongoing fundamental brain research lines, studying the healthy and diseased human brain. We also offer clinical internships where students can participate in our clinical treatment programs and patient clinics where neuromodulation is used to treat patients. And the third option is to do an internship in the industry, and we can make the connection and offer internships.
There is a lack of people who have a specific neuromodulation background. So there are many companies, they need people, the governments to look for solutions for the demographic changes. They need people who understand neuromodulation. The hospitals which are providing neuromodulation as a therapy for people, they also need people who understand neuromodulation, and the laboratories.